In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Fiverr gig on Facebook. We'll walk through how to reach your Facebook audience directly from your Fiverr account using the built-in share options. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and select the official Fiverr website from the results. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, sign into your seller account so you can access your gig settings. Once you're in, look for the top navigation and click My Business. On some screens, especially mobile, you may need to open the main menu to find it. From there, choose Gigs. This brings up a list of your active, paused, and draft gigs. Locate the gig you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick the gig with the clearest title and strongest thumbnail image, since that's what people will see when you share it. On the right side of your chosen gig, you'll see a small drop-down icon. Click it to reveal more options. Select Share. Fiverr will show you several platforms you can share to. Choose Facebook. If a pop-up window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for this action. If you're not signed in to Facebook, log in when prompted. You'll now see Facebook's share dialog with your gig preview, including the title, image, and link. This is where your message makes a difference. Add a short, clear caption that explains what you offer, who it's for, and the benefit. For example, mention your turnaround time or a standout feature, and end with a simple call to action like "Order now" or "Message me for details." Keep it professional and concise. Choose where to share: your personal feed, your story, a page you manage, a relevant group, or via direct message to contacts who genuinely need your service. Always follow group rules and avoid spamming. Select your audience settings on Facebook if you want to control visibility, and consider posting at times when your audience is most active. A couple of relevant hashtags can help with discovery, but keep them focused and minimal. When you're happy with the caption and destination, publish the post. Your gig link will display with a clickable preview, making it easy for viewers to visit your Fiverr page. After posting, monitor reactions and comments, respond promptly to questions, and track what type of caption or timing gets the best engagement. If something works well, reuse and refine it. That's it. Your Fiverr gig is now promoted on Facebook directly from your Fiverr dashboard.